What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I'm happy today. Are you happy? Well, I got a gift, one gift from in my PO box, and I already opened it up because I forgot I left it in the car. So I just now got my book. So whoever sent me this book, thank you so much. I'm glad you bought me this book. I'm happy. Thank you. Even though I'm not gonna get a job because I already got a job. So. Yeah, I got a little gift. It don't say who it's from, but whoever sent me this, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Miss Clifford, get a job. Very funny. I already got a job, but thank you for wasting your money on this. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Get a job, Clifford. See? Clifford, get a job. Yeah. I really like this book. I just love watching Clipper. I really love Clipper, the big red dog. I used to watch when I was little. I used to watch cartoon Clipper. How many of y'all used to watch Clipper? Yeah, I used to love watch Clipper, the big red dog. Yeah, I love Clipper. And I'm enjoying this book. Matter of fact, Clipper get a job. We're gonna read some of the part. We're gonna read a part. Hello, I'm Eminem. I'm not that good at reading, but bear with me. Hi, I'm Amna. Amna. If you don't live on my street, you may not know me. See? Or my dog Clipper. He a lot fun to play with. There is only one bad thing, of course, Clipper. He eat a lot of dog. He eat a lot of dog food and a lot of dog food. Of course, a lot of money. Wow, you see Clipper eat she the dog food and Clipper. Yeah, we were spending all our money on the dog food. Mother and Daddy did not know that he do. We will have to save Clipper. We had to send Clipper away. They said Clifford did not want to go away. He made up his mind to get a job and pay for his own food. He decided to join the circle of good old Clifford. The circus man liked Clifford. Clifford get the job, but they put him beside the show. He just sat there and people just look at him. Clifford wanted to do something. He peeked into the tent. He saw a little dog doing tricks. Clifford wanted to do tricks too. So he ran into the tent and he tried to jump into the hoop just like the little doggy. If he did not work until next week when Clifford saw a little dog riding a pony. Clifford thinks he can't do anything as a little dog can do, but he can't. The circus man was angry. He asked Clifford to leave. Don't worry, I say you can get another job. So we went to a farm. We went to see a farm. the farm thought Clifford would be a good farm dog. He said Clifford could work for him. First, Clifford rounded up the cow. Then Clifford brought home a full array of hay. He was doing so well, and then he saw a rat right around the farm. Clifford knows that rat is on a farm are very bad. So Clifford tells the rat, take the rat. Clifford and I started home. We feel very bad. Every day has gone wrong. Suddenly, a car came speed past us, and right behind it is they came a police car. They was taking the robber. Clifford took a shortcut through the woods and caught the robber. I was very proud of Clifford and the police. The chief police offered Clifford a job as a police dog. Now Clifford goes into work every day now. They don't pay him money, but every week they spend Clifford a lot of send Clifford a lot of dog food, so now we can keep him in that wonderful good of old Clifford. Yeah, I like this book. So if you like that, thank you for sending me this. I love this book, and I just read out the whole book. You know what I'm saying? So thumbs up this video. Please share my video. Thank you whoever sent me this book. Share my video, Young Mellow 33, and subscribe and thumbs up. Peace and love.